In mid-September, the Federal Reserve actually cut its interest rates. And I mean, has that been overdue or what? Like, we've been thinking about that for a long time. But here's the thing. So it's a move aimed at easing inflation and supporting, a broad economic growth picture. But for real estate agents, it's also a window of opportunity to finish our fourth quarter strong. So, how can you capitalize and take advantage of this shift and turn it into a meaningful momentum opportunity for your business? So, one of my colleagues recently had two or three buyers who had been on the sidelines, sitting on the fences for pretty much the bulk of the year. They were uncertain about the market, just unsure, concerned about the rates, and hesitant to just make that leap, right? To take that leap of faith. When the Fed made their announcement about rates dipping slightly, they wanted to act quickly. All of a sudden, they just jumped off the fence and let's do business. She updated their approvals, reran the numbers, and she sent them each one a text that simply said, "Your monthly payment just dropped. Would you like to take another look?" Within 2 weeks, all three were under contracts. That's how quickly it took place. But here's a good reminder that you don't need a massive rate shift to create momentum and movement in your business. Even a small dip can impact your buying power and build a sense of urgency that can reignite interest, right? Not the interest rate, but the interest into the market and pulling the trigger, making that purchase. So here are a few practical strategies to help you convert your leads, to re-engage your pipeline, and to close more deals as we wrap up this third quarter and roll into the fourth quarter of the year. Key point number one, let's talk about this first thing. So we want to re-engage the leads with updated payment scenarios, right? You got to look at why they hung on the fence to begin with. They thought the payments were too high. So now is the time to revisit older leads and past pre-approvals, right? With rates improving, buyers who previously did not qualify or were hesitant due to the monthly payment and outlay of expenses may have a different outlook today. So reach out to these leads and these clients with updated numbers. You might be surprised. Don't assume like we cost ourselves a lot of money with assumptions. Show them how a lower rate affects their overall payment, increases their affordability, and potentially opens the door to a wider range of homes. It's not about selling. Right now, it's about providing relevant, timely information, right? Strike while the iron's hot. And it's going to help them a ton. Use the rate cut to establish a sense of timing. Some buyers may assume they can wait until next year. Others may be motivated with just that opportunity to get off the fence now. So that's where your messaging matters most. Try saying it like this: with rates improving, now may be a very smart time, a wise time to make that purchase or to buy that home, right? And if they drop again, you can always refinance, right? As we always say, date the rate, marry the home. Properties are always going to increase in price. The rates are going to fluctuate. But if they go back up, this is the opportunity that could disappear just like that, as fast as it came in. We can look at previous statistics, but we can't predict the future. You're positioning the market honestly, highlighting both the opportunity and the flexibility. Show sellers why now it's good news for them, and this isn't just for buyers. Let your sellers know that lower rates often mean stronger pre-approvals, which more motivated buyers and potential faster closings means more money net to the seller in the proceeds. It can help avoid price reductions or prolonged days on market, and that's exactly what sellers want to hear. They want to know how quickly, how fast, and they want to do it as easy as possible. If you're looking to re-engage your pipeline, turn warm leads into clients, or just finish the year strong, don't sleep on this shift. Lower rates can get the conversation started, but your follow-up is what actually seals the deal. If you need help with script, strategy, or a fresh follow-up plan, let's connect. You can give me a call, you can shoot me a text, you can shoot me an email, DM. I'd be happy to help you any way possible. As always, we're brand agnostic and we just want to see agents win. See you in the next video. And if you saw value in this one, please like it, share it, and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the near future. Take care.